except for the tint spray. I don't know why that was there.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Kiki Lee and I'm back with another video. So here's the final look of this headband wig. Natural way to wear this, cause baby, this is my hair. This is my look at this. What headband? Period.
All right, so I'm gonna take my leave-in conditioner spray and spray this baby up. And I'm gonna take my water bottle and spray that as well. Then I'm going to section it off because I feel like it works better if you just do it in sections.
Oh, look at this headband weird. Look, no headband. It's a natural hairline, you know. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it so everybody could know how to wear their headbands, and comment down below if you felt like I really did a really good job. All right, bye.